Hi guys, I have been waffling back and forth for the last 20 minutes trying to decide whether or not I want to film this video yet because I am about to dive in to the Blue Bug palette for the first time. So since it is blues and it's not something I work with a whole lot, I kind of wasn't sure if I wanted to film the first attempt or just kind of play around with it. But I watched some videos to get some inspiration. So I think I have a plan. It's a gorgeous palette. So today what I'm going to do is we're going to do Wealthy on the whole lid just to give it a nude base. And then I'm going to go in with Ice Cold for a crease. Then I'll also do Ice Tray with that as well, which is very bright metallic. And then after that, I think I will do Ocean Ice as the outer corner and Deceased as main lid color, and then Entitled inner corner. So Deceased will kind of be like middle, Entitled outer corner, inner corner. This Cullinan is very blinding. I think I'm going to use that as a brow highlight, but I also might pull it to the inner corner. But I saw Crystal Flesh used earlier, and it's also very beautiful for inner corner. And then I think for bottom lash, normally what I do with my bottom lash is I take whatever I use on the outer corner and I drag that underneath. But this is a pressed pigment, harder to use, and it's recommended not to be used in the immediate eye area, which I'm very confused about because it's an eyeshadow. But so instead, I think I will do Undertaker underneath the whole eye. So the pressed pigments in this palette are Ocean Ice, Blue Monday, and Untouchable. What that just means is that they are, I think, more pure pigment rather than actual eyeshadow. I looked it up earlier, not positive, but I think that's what that means. And they are harder to apply in that you do not use a swiping motion to apply. You get better results if you pat it on with a brush. So those are the three pressed pigments in the palette. Everything else is eyeshadow, and there's a variety of mattes, shimmers, and some of that are... Is metallic different than shimmer? I think it is. I don't know. So that's my plan. I saw on Instagram the other day, it was popping up showing that as if it were Morphe. It said, I think Beauty Morphe or whatever Morphe's Instagram is. And it was showing like James Charles' brush set, like it's like 50% off, right? His brush set is like sold for like $180 maybe, I think, and it's a $250 value, but it's $180 is what they sell it for. And I get on there and the price of it is the price of it is $80. I was like, what? I was like, this is insane. Why is it discounted? Are they mad at James Charles? Like, a little delayed, but okay. But so like I put it in my cart, I was going, websites just like Morphe. I get to my checkout and I look at the web address. It's, I don't even remember what it was now, but it wasn't Morphe. They had the website designed to look exactly like Morphe, had Morphe at the top, but it wasn't Morphe because Morphe also currently has their logo on their website in rainbow, and this was just the plain white Morphe. So I did not complete that transaction, but then I like went back to Instagram and I was like, did I just like think this said Morphe? Nope, it said Morphe. And then you click on the name as to go to the profile, and it takes it to whatever this company is. It takes it to their profile, but everything says Morphe. And I was like, okay. So I did not buy. Do not buy. Beware. I am ready. I'm going in with Wealthy as the whole base. I've already put down an eyeshadow primer. This is my first experience with a Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I've always only had the lipsticks, so very exciting stuff. I gotta make this video quicker because I don't think people want to watch for 26 minutes except Leslie. I think Leslie wants to watch for 26 minutes or more, but it also takes a long time to edit because it's so long. So I gotta step it up. So what I think I'm gonna do, assuming I use different brushes for each color, which is my goal, we'll see. I would like to try to do one eye for the video, and then I will do the other eye separate. Because because I see a lot of people do it that way and it saves time rather than having to do both at the same time, even though I speed it up. But I also need to stop talking while I'm doing stuff so I can speed it up and not have to have talk breaks. Shut up, Rachel. That went into my eyebrow, and now I've lost part of my eyebrow. I know from being in your seat, that does not look as blinding on the camera as it is in real life, because I was like, when I watched a few videos of people using this palette and they were like, oh my god, and I'm like, that doesn't look like anything. Oh my god. I'm scared, but it's gorgeous. If it weren't for this palette costing $52, I'd feel like I was in 7th grade all over again right now. You know, I saw about the pressed pigments needing a wet brush. And that is immediately what I'm finding. So wet brush it is. There is a 100% chance that it's the quality of my brushes, but also I'm having a really hard time getting this one laid down. Pressed pigments ain't nothing to play with though, good God. I look like a peacock or something. Wow. Pressed pigments are really difficult. I mean, I was warned. The videos told me, but I was just like, they're difficult. At least to learn. I also read that once you learn them and get used to them, they're fine. Next one is Deceased, and I'm very deceased about it. So Deceased is not itself a pressed pigment, but I'm kind of using the pat method because I don't want to dislodge Ocean Ice. So it's more out of fear than necessity. There is some real fallout on from Ocean Ice. Oh my god, it's so pretty though. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit ice cold in the crease just to like last like big color is entitled Going on the Inner Corner. You're not necessarily supposed to stretch your eyes to put color on, but it was the only way I felt like I had control. Because it appears this is becoming a whole video, I guess I will do some foundation. I went ahead and did my blush, my contour, and highlight everything. I'm just going to finish the eyes themselves on camera. Oh man, this is so pretty. I have the fucking ocean on my eyes. To finish up, we're gonna do the bottom lash line and inner corner. Are you even ready for this? Like, does it matter that I lost half my eyebrow when I applied it the first time? Because I don't think it does. Alright, now we're going to do lower lash line with Undertaker. It's real cute. It has a little coffin stamped into it. I'm going to do a thing I never do, which is use a white waterline pencil. I just attempted to sharpen this pencil, and at risk of getting stabbed in the eye now, I'm still going to try to do the waterline in white. I'm gonna go bold, and I'm gonna do something I've never done before. I'm gonna finish an eye look without putting actual eyeliner on it. And the final step, as you all well know, is setting spray. Well, all I can say is wow. These eyes are definitely some that require some falsies, but it's at night and I'm gonna be going to bed in a few hours, so I'm not putting falsies on. So here's the final look. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm kind of surprised because blues are scary. I can totally wear this to work, right? I think I can. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, bye. I also just wanted to add, I am so sad this does not translate to video as well as it translates to real life. Like, I'm looking at myself right now, but it's not as pretty as it is in the real world. So I guess the only thing that you can do is get yourself the Blue Butt palette and then just do what I did, I guess. I mean, that's all I can think of. Shout out, this video goes to my friend Leslie. Remember how last video my shout out was to Tara, who I mentioned is very genuine, and I only know a couple people in my life who that's their overwhelming impression. Well, guess who the other one is? It's Leslie. So Leslie gets my shout out this week because she has shared both of my last two videos, and I am super grateful for it. Thank you very, very, very much. I appreciate it so much. If you want to be my next shout out, just like and subscribe and click that bell icon so you can get notifications when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.